Embrace the calm of minimalism. Start by clearing the clutter to let your living space truly breathe. In the kitchen, clear countertops are essential. Hide appliances away to maintain sleek, uninterrupted visual lines. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary of peace. Limit furnishings to just the essentials for a truly restful environment. Transform your bathroom into a spa by storing all products out of sight. Keep surfaces completely bare and pristine. Master the art of negative space. Leaving areas intentionally empty makes the room feel larger and much more intentional. Adopt a monochromatic palette to reduce visual noise. Use floor-to-ceiling cabinets to hide all your everyday necessities. Let natural textures do the talking. Simple, high-quality materials bring warmth without adding any unnecessary visual clutter. Use striking contrast to create interest without decoration. A standalone tub acts as a stunning, functional centerpiece. Connect your space to the outdoors. Let natural light and exterior views act as the primary artwork for your room. Ditch the upper cabinets for an airy, open feel. Industrial materials like stainless steel offer both durability and sleekness. Embrace bare necessities. A low-profile bed and clear floors create a grounded, expansive feeling. Conceal your daily essentials. A seamless vanity and hidden storage keep the bathroom looking spotless. Let architecture speak for itself. A single focal point without surrounding clutter brings true peace. Rethink traditional layouts. A single, monumental island can serve all your culinary needs beautifully. Use warm, earthy tones to prevent minimalist spaces from feeling cold or sterile. Less is still more. Eliminate visual boundaries. Continuous materials like micro cement create a beautifully seamless, infinite space. Warm up minimalism with textured fabrics and natural wood. A few carefully chosen pieces create an inviting atmosphere. Hide the mess completely. Floor-to-ceiling sliding panels can conceal your entire kitchen in seconds. Embrace organic shapes. Soft curves and sandy clay plaster create a grounded, cave-like sanctuary for perfect rest. Embrace the dramatic. Dark, highly polished stone creates a powerful, luxurious, minimalist statement. Combine Japanese elegance with Nordic function. A low profile and natural materials create the ultimate serene retreat. Hide appliances behind flush, handleless cabinetry. A completely uninterrupted surface keeps the visual flow peaceful. Minimalism isn't always white. A dark, monochromatic bedroom can feel incredibly intimate and focused purely on rest. Opt for continuous plaster finishes instead of tiles. Removing grout lines creates a remarkably smooth visual experience. Let the outside view become your artwork. Keep interior furnishings low and subtle to maximize the expansive spatial feel. Ditch upper cabinets entirely. A single open shelf with carefully curated, identical items adds character without the clutter. The secret to a minimalist bedroom is invisible storage. Built-in wardrobes keep your personal items completely hidden. Soften the minimalist aesthetic with curved furniture. Round edges and textured fabrics create a highly welcoming environment. Master the art of contrast. Pairing ultra-sleek modern cabinets with a single piece of rustic wood adds immense depth. Find peace in raw materials. Unbleached linens and textured walls create a grounding, deeply restful bedroom. Embrace radical geometry. A perfectly rectangular stone tub in a pure white room creates a striking focal point. Built-in furniture minimizes visual clutter. Monolithic forms create a living space that feels permanent and serene. Hide everything away. Floor-to-ceiling panels and a seamless stainless island keep your kitchen flawlessly clean. Wood slats add warmth without clutter. A floating bed creates an airy, weightless feeling in your sanctuary. Embrace earthy minimalism. Terracotta tones and fluted glass create a warm, striking sanctuary without adding clutter. Bring nature inside. A central indoor tree and retractable walls make the outdoors your primary design element. Go all white for ultimate purity. A continuous, monochromatic surface creates a strikingly clean and futuristic kitchen. Welcome guests with minimal luxury. A perfectly tailored, comfortable bed creates a peaceful and inviting retreat.